Yeah, I think it's maybe a couple of things. One, that people have to think about the business part from the beginning. I've had people tell me, "Oh, look, the technology is so hard to do. The rest will sell itself." And actually, that never happens in any context ever. And that I encourage these brilliant founders to take their passion and love and drive for science and bring that into the business side. The business side is not won't be difficult for them. It won't be boring for them. It will be interesting. It could be something that could be a whole new passion. And I would argue they would be really uniquely capable of understanding that side because they understand the science side and then hopefully in time the business side. So that can't be something that you just leave for somebody else. It's like if you're going to be a parent, you're not going to have a nanny 24/7 and you kind of just see the kid every once in a while. You want to be the full parent. You want to understand everything this baby needs, not just part of it. And so you've got to dive in. And the good news is doubly so. One, it's not as hard as you think. And two, actually, I think you'll enjoy it. It actually can be really fascinating. That's the first part. And then I would say the second part that is counterintuitive for academics is that there's something that's very familiar to them. Like they'll be searching for going to like the best universities. They want to go to Stanford or Berkeley or MIT or whatever. They want to be at the best universities and they want to be in the best labs in those universities. So professors who've done the greatest things, but they don't think often of investors as like colleagues or partners in building the company. I think they think of them almost like officers at NIH or NSF. And like, oh, I could get a grant from this one person, this person. It doesn't matter where the money comes from. I could get the grant from someone, in a whole nother country. It doesn't really matter. I think it's a mistake of thinking about money as money in academia versus investors are your collaborators and someone who's going to be helping. And the money is like the easy part in the end. There's so much money out there. Raising money is very straightforward, but bringing on the very best collaborators or the A+ people that you could be working with, you would do it in every other context. You have to realize that it's very important to do it in this context too. I think if founders who are brilliant technical founders with a amazing new technology can deeply understand that the business side and realize that they have to bring on great people and investors have to be part of that. The people who get that, they do extremely well. And I think it's something that maybe is counterintuitive, but for those who have figured it out, they've really taken off.